gonna make a yogurt tart. It's very easy to make. First you need some butter, condensed milk, tea biscuits, coconut oil, and I'm using fruit cocktail, and it is yogurt. And mini marshmallows. You also need a bowl and a spoon. Let's get started. So first you take the butter and you have to heat it for 30 seconds. Now we have to wait. It's done. Let's see. Be careful with the butter because it's very hot. Now we have to use the tea biscuit and crush it with the blender. One, two. Okay. I think it's enough. Let's put the lid on and let's start crushing. Now we need to mix this with the butter in the mixing bowl. Now we have to put this on the side, and we need coconut oil. And now we have to put coconut oil in the bowl. Make sure you spray everywhere in the bowl. Using the cookies, you take it with your hand and press it in the bowl. Now we use the condensed milk and the yogurt, 500 milliliters together. Now we have to put it inside. This looks so yummy! To pour this over the cookies. Wow, it's so easy! Now I have to put this in the microwave for 5 minutes. Oh, it's very heavy. And be also careful not to break it. Perfect. 5 minutes is over. It's done. Ask your mommy or your daddy to get it out. Mommy! It's decorating Spread it out evenly. The marshmallows will melt